Hi, today I'm gonna teach you how to cook tang. Did you know that tang can be delicious, particularly when you use it as a snack? So I put inside my crock pot about 2 kilograms tang, beef tang, and I covered it with water. I added 1 medium onion, which it has about 10 grams of carbohydrates, but the carbohydrates are water soluble, so they are going to stay in the water. So you're going to get the flavor of the onion without the carbohydrates. So you put as well a head of garlic, cut it in half and throw it with skin and everything, because we are going to dispose of those. And at least 4 bay leaves. Like these are my bay leaves that I bring from my country, Argentina. I love it. The aroma is just, you can't find it at the store. It's the smell of home. So yes, I put it on the pressure cooker for about 20 minutes. So what I will do right now is to let it cool, and I will come back to show you how we peel it, because the beef tongue is abrasive like a cat's tongue. So we are gonna make sure that that is not gonna be in our menu. So I will see you when this baby is cold. I wanna show you. I just opened it and I used that knife to see how tender my tongue was, and it's not very tender yet. So we're gonna give it a second round on the pressure cooker and we will see what happens next. Don't forget to add the salt. I didn't say it, but you have to add salt, quite a bit of salt. Now the tongue is perfect, a lot more tender. So all I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take it from there, place it in my very clean sink, and let it cool down, running cold water on it. So the skin, the papillas, can peel off a lot easier. That's what I'm gonna do. And I'm gonna share a little secret with you, because this smells delicious. And so what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna put some beef bones to continue to extract more yumminess from this cuts of beef. So if you're wondering why would I use that stock when it has an onion and some garlic, it's because I did my 90-day only beef and water kind of protocol. And after that, and after I got to an optimal place, measuring with myself, which what I know is my optimal health, and you should do the same, I could start adding things like, to see if they affect me or not. I will never get leafy greens. I will never do vegetables, broccoli. No, I have no interest in incorporating any of that. But with this being said, if this big pot of broth has under Tuco, enough, good boy. If this broth has under 10 grams of carbohydrates, and this is going to last me, I don't know, maybe I will get 8 ounces, which probably has less than 1 carbohydrate. I don't know why I can say carbohydrate today, sorry. So I will have that stoke to make like a warm broth. It's just fantastic, and it does not affect my health at any level. So why would I deprive myself from taste? So to me, this works. I'm going to use the tongue and I'm going to use the beef that is attached to the bones, but that broth is going to be so rich in nutrition. So I'm gonna have some as well. I have the occasional berry. I'm not gonna have it every day or every week, but occasionally I will have like a piece of fruit, you know, within logic. I'm not bananas. I might have a banana every 6 months because there is such thing as your insulin going to slip per se. You know, to say it in an easy way to understand, your in fact, Kelly Hogan said in one of her podcasts, she has been a pure carnivore for 15 years, I believe. And she shares that after something like 8 years, 10 years into it, she decided to check her blood sugar, and the sugar was high because, of course, the body is not used to, like, you know, the carbohydrates, the insulin goes to sleep. We get some glucose from our gluconeogenesis, you know, so of course our sugar is going to start incrementing quietly, slowly, in a way that we don't even perceive it. So do I believe, even though it's based on science, do I think, based on the data, that having a bit of carbohydrates once in a while is going to affect you negatively? No, I don't think so. In fact, I'm pretty sure that the key is metabolic flexibility. I don't think that staying in constant ketosis forever or carnivore forever without absolutely anything else is the epitome of healthy eating to me. Now, there are people that are doing it forever and they feel wonderful, so why not? I believe that we can just be flexible and try to eat what makes us feel good. In my case, is 90% beef. Organs are important, so I will keep going with my promise, which is the tongue. So let's get that baby going. So here we have the queen of the video, the tongue. What we're gonna do, let me do this because you want to see this. There you go. We're gonna peel it. The skin almost comes off by itself. See? Look at this. You just peel it. It comes off. It's hot. So see, I don't know if you can see. Like it's like a cat's tongue. It's kind of sharp. So we're just gonna peel it. We're gonna remove all the skin this way, and we're gonna end up with the tongue. That's it. See? Ah. Very simple, very easy. Just for now, I'm gonna work on this piece. There we go. All the skin is off. Perfect. Gonna get a serviette. Thank you for your patience. So what we do next is simply slice it up. Tuco, he always have to bark. We're gonna slice it up this way. I don't know if you guys can tell how tender it is. In very thin slices, just like that. Oh, if I ate bread, which I don't ever, that I don't touch. I will eat it with garlic and parsley. Oh my, delicious! Very moist and fatty. And so I'm gonna continue doing it, and then I'm gonna just come back to the video. And there you have it. So you end up with your tam cut in pieces. If you are doing keto, if you are doing keto, you can add some avocado to it. There you go. I'm sorry, guys. I do this to you. Please bear with me. I promise I'm going to get better. When you work 10 hours a day and you have time over the weekend to do this, trust me, it's a slow process. So anyways and anyhow, with this you have all the amino acids, proteins, fats. It's delicious. You can put some mustard if you tolerate it. If you tolerate spices, don't be afraid to use garlic, a little bit of parsley. Personally, I don't do it. I like it. It's so tender. I can't explain. And it's so good. It's really, really delicious. I'm not kidding. Make it. You won't regret it. It's delicious. It's nutritious. Add it. It's just something else that you can put in little Ziploc bags, or I don't recommend Ziploc bags because they just release too many microplastics, especially if you put them in the microwave to defrost. Don't do that. Trust me. Get some silicone bags. It's a wonderful snack, lunch, dinner, whatever. I'm gonna stop because I'm gonna eat it all because it's so light. However, this is Flor. See you on my next video. Bye bye. Take care. Go carnivore.